Coronel, Warren Bonifacio up against Vic Manuel. Tabi 4-3 and Cyrus Tabi. Double team from Gabo. Tabi fires a 3. It's good.
So you see first half.
A nice nudge there galing kay Victoria to free himself up for the 3.
Ganda nung read niya nun. Stop pa itong Pangasinan.
Coronel lays it in. First two-pointer for Pasay.
Na-experience natin yan eh. Papunta rito.
Bonifacio misses and Reverente sticks it back in. Sit back. No. Another tap by Reverente. Tabi with a jumper. It's good.
Credit the rebound and the assist.
Bonifacio. Nag-alangan. Balik sa labas. Salenga. Yes! And what a run here.
It's in the half court or in transition this time on a second chance opportunity.
Si Robin. Agustin up against Bonga Lanza. And Agustin.
If you cannot put all those minds into one or move as one, wala rin kwenta yun. As you see, Jasper Salenga.
Christian.
Nakita mo, no? Yung pag-double team, yung quickly pag-give up ng bola ni Lawrence Victoria. At yun, nahawa na yung kanyang mga kasama. 2 extra passes, libre. Si Jasper. Okay.
And you add the 42 given up in the fourth.
Of the last game.
Yeah, they've
Yeah,
already
pero
given up.
dagdagan mo pa.
Joey. Ano si Lervin Flores na libre na siya. Bagsak.
Dalawa.
Si Gortiza.
At drop step. Kaya lamang na siya sa pwesto after that move.
Sanko again.
Bump move to create space. Pero ito, na catch and shoot. Nothing but net.
Palangga mo na sa Bacolod for sure. Victoria with a runner off the glass and in. Oh, no good on the finish. Tabi is open. Cyrus knocks it down.
Second chance opportunity. That ball ping-pongs to Cyrus Tabi. There's a slight pause sa ibabaw. Heck! Na parang pang rollerblades.
Oh.
Na uso nung araw. Lock up with an attack. What a finish!
Ganda. Bonifacio versus Manuel. Spins away and knocks down. Jump. Made a layup earlier. Lock up inside the lane. Bully ball.
Right here, lock up. Little bully ball kay De Gregorio, and he could do nothing but give a good challenge up top. Guys, or even guys with length.
Warren Bonifacio, one dribble pull-up. This guy. Victoria up against Jay Colliado. Victoria, step back, fade away. Good.
10 kilos. A little up fake, and then stops, and then look at that short
In
fade.
close, the stick back goes in.
Now, that's
They
the thing.
go to him immediately.
Mga players natin dito sa liga, they show the muscle na sa totoo lang minsan ko question mo yung karapatan. What a shot by Barcuma.
From close range, Salenga drops it off. Soriano puts it in.
That's a 4-point swing.
Tabi, for a friend, nahanap si Warren. Warren, atake sa gitna. Warren Bonifacio.
By Warren Bonifacio, ito na ang Pasay, nakastop pa.
Salenga, 3 in transition. Jasper Salenga. Momentum has shifted back to Pasay.
At para sa akin, nagsimula yon sa miss layup nila rito by De Gregorio, and I believe
Trying to get away from the double team. The bounce pass to Soriano. Kept his poise right there and powers through. Victoria gets the switch against Flores.
what a move.
Look at that, Lawrence Paul, Victoria.
Did I just say what a move? Even before, look at that. How he shifted from left to right, slowly. Mind you, slowly.
Rebound. Salenga
Catch and shoot.
fires. Yes! Jasper with some time. Bonifacio with a rebound. Warren inside, he scores. Down to 11.
Ang laking bagay din sa larong ito as Victoria drops it off for a
And
quick two underneath by Soriano.
honestly, to some extent,